Navertica Maintenance of Service Items is an extension for the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central ERP system. The application allows you to set up regular maintenance tasks for service items with different conditions and worksheet content. This tool extends the standard service module and is linked to the creation of service orders. The advantage is the possibility to connect to time and meters for setting up a maintenance plan and also to clearly monitor the status of individual maintenance tasks. In this video, we will go through basic functions of the app. Let's say we want to set up a periodic maintenance check of our server computer once every year. We can do that on the service item card. In the Maintenance Task section, we fill in the standard service code as maintenance and the fault reason code as periodical maintenance. The startup condition code is time, since we want to do the check at a certain time interval. Next, we choose to calculate the next service date as 1 year from the last service order. It is also possible to plan the check for a fixed date. If we create a new setup, the following date fields are blank and will be updated when a new order is generated. After filling in all the necessary information, we lock the created line and then run a batch to create a maintenance order directly from the service order or as a general job for all service items. Depending on the selected proposal type, we can set up plan time or generate an order immediately, which we will choose in our example. We also add the resource number to allocate the service order. Now we can open the created service order directly from the service item or from the list of orders. The service order contains the data that was entered in the standard service code, and we can find it in the service item worksheet along with all the visit codes. If the contract is completed, the following may be posted. As a special type of maintenance is defined by the meter. The maintenance setup has condition type meter, and the interval is defined in clicks, kilometers, moto hours, etc. We can view the list of all planned tasks in Maintenance Tasks. All expired maintenance tasks are colored red. This and much more is available in our Navertica Maintenance of Service Items application. Thank you for watching this video and be our guest to try a free trial, available now on Microsoft AppSource.